Display type of Xiaomi 12s Ultra is LTPO AMOLED and iPhone 13 Pro Max has OLED screen. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 6.73 inches display and iPhone 13 Pro Max has 6.7 inches display. Here is display resolution of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Here is aspect ratio of both phones. Pixel density of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max are 521 ppi and 458 ppi. Brightness nits of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max is 1500 nits and 1200 nits. Screen to body ratio of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max is 87.4% and 89%. The operating system of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and 13 Pro Max is Android V12 and iOS V15. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and 13 Pro Max has Apple Bionic A15 chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Adreno 730 GPU and iPhone 13 Pro Max has Apple 5-core GPU. The back camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and 13 Pro Max can record video up to 8K at 24 fps and 4K at 60 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 32 megapixels front camera and iPhone 13 Pro Max has 12 megapixels front camera. The front camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and 13 Pro Max can record video up to 4K at 60 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 4860 mAh battery and iPhone 13 Pro Max has 4352 mAh battery. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watt fast charging and 13 Pro Max has 27 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra support reverse charging but iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 50 watt wireless charging and 13 Pro Max has 15 watt wireless charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones have GPS. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has in-display fingerprint sensor but iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones have face unlock. Neither Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones have NFC. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has IR blaster but iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones are water resistant. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max is IP68.